Do you want to create YouTube videos without the hassle of coming up with new content ideas? ChatGPT is the tool for you. I can show you live demonstration of how to make YouTube videos with the help of ChatGPT. Step 1. Log into ChatGPT account by using a link which I have provided in the description box. If you don't have a ChatGPT account or don't know how to create, you can watch my previous video. The video link is available in description box. After enter into the ChatGPT account, start to raise a content for your own topic. For example, I want a content for hacking, so ChatGPT started to provide a content for hacking. Based on our wish, we can raise a content for any topic from this amazing AI tool. Sometimes ChatGPT response is slow because of heavy traffic, so we want to wait for some time. It takes few minutes to recover. Step 2. After raise a content, we want to convert text into speech. For that, we want to use bed.io tool. It's completely free tool. If you don't know how to use, just comment in comment box. I can help you to know about that. So, after enter into the bed.io, we want to paste the content. What we have and collect from ChatGPT, just click the audio option and paste the content. If you want to change an audio voice, you can change by clicking on drop down based on your interest. After that, click the add to project. The text will automatically convert into speech. If you think you need a subtitle for a video, just click the subtitle option and paste your content on the box. It will automatically make subtitles based on speech. By clicking a play button, we can able to see subtitles on screen based on text speech. Step 3. Now our speech plus subtitles are ready, so we want to make videos based on our content. For that, we want to visit pixels.com. Here we can take no copyright images and videos. For example, my content related to hacking, so I want a video related to hacking. Here we can see 100 plus no copyright videos and images. After select our video, we want to download a video. For that, just click the free download option. Your video is automatically download. Step 4. Now our video is ready, so we want to import our video by clicking a browse in the media option. Now our video is import in few seconds. Now, I think our video is 95% completed. Remaining pending part is make adjustments related to the speech. So, after completely import our video from our system, we want to make adjustments based on our speech. Congratulations, our video is 100% ready. Creating YouTube videos can be a time-consuming task, but with ChatGPT plus bed.io, you can have professional-looking videos ready in just a few minutes. Try it out today and see how easy it is to make YouTube videos with ChatGPT. And if you like my video, please click the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.